Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the throttle body on this 2006 Dodge Durango with the 5.7 liter Hemi. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is remove this hose right here. Set it off to the side. Next we're going to loosen these hose clamps right here. Those take an 8mm socket or a flathead. Once you have those loosened up, you'll be wiggling these quite a bit to get them to pop out. There's a little connector down here. This just pops off like that. So you're just going to wiggle this whole thing until it comes loose and pull this assembly right here out. Now we are going to unhook this connector right here. Just push in on this tab and pull out like that. Now we're going to remove this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt. Now we are going to lift up on this and just kind of wiggle it out here. You're going to want to push it down this direction and pull this side out first. Now we're going to unplug this clip, so slide this red tab backwards and then push down here and then wiggle and pull. And you'll be able to remove that. Set it off to the side here. Now we are going to remove the throttle body here. So we're going to take out this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and that bolt right there. Those bolts are 8mm. Once you've got those bolts loose, you can take your throttle body out here and replace it with your new one. I will have an Amazon affiliate link in the description where you can get a new throttle body on Amazon. But if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.